What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete RedNote app account. So, if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly delete your RedNote app account here. Well, this one is fairly easy. So what we need to do here is we need to access a very specific setting. So let's go open up the RedNote app here and click on the Me icon that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Now in here, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon next to the profile button that you see there at the top center of your screen. Now once you click on it, you should be able to see this one. So let's go ahead and click on account security at the very top here. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to look for the option that says account cancellation. So usually it's going to be at the bottom of your screen. So go ahead and click on account cancellation and it should give you this UI here. Now, what you need to do here is you need to basically verify yourself. So you need to log into your account just to make sure that you are really you who's accessing here the account deletion section. Now, what you need to do here is just click on the red button that you see at the second section here, and it will send you a verification code just to make sure that it is really you. Now, by the way, you need to verify yourself in order for you to delete your account. So in this case, go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and just enter our verification code here. And from here, let's go ahead and click on next. Now from here on, it's going to give you some information here. You can go ahead and read that. And from that on, just agree on the next pages here. Now, by the way, if you can't read the following text here, you can go ahead and use the translation app on your other phone. But in this case, just follow the on-screen steps here and you should be able to delete it. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.